doctor said we need to take his temperature.
Okay. All right. Open up.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm taking his temperature.
Sweetie, he's a baby, so that's a rectal thermometer.
Oh. All right, here we go. Oh.
Daryl, what are you doing? Daryl, come on. Daryl, just try it. Honey. Hey, Carl. It's okay.
Just a moment.
No.
Okay. All right, nobody likes this. I know. Nobody likes this. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, yeah, there we go.
You
Here comes the choo-choo train.
Choo-choo.
This is the tunnel, son. It's almost at your stop.